When it comes to tackling home improvement projects or professional construction jobs, having the right tools can make all the difference. Among these essential tools, a reliable tape measure stands out as a must-have for accurate measurements and precise results. But with so many options available, how you choose the right one for your needs? In this video, we will be exploring the best tape measures on the market, from durability to ease of use. These tape measures are designed to help you measure with confidence and accuracy. Number 1. Komelon SL2825 Tape Measure. The Komelon SL2825 tape measure is designed for durability and ease of use, featuring a self-locking mechanism that locks the blade automatically. Its nylon-coated blade and impact-resistant case make it a reliable choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. This tape measure ensures accurate and hassle-free measurements with added durability for long-lasting performance. Key features: automatic blade lock, nylon-coated blade for maximum protection, impact-resistant ABS plastic case with rubber over mold, stud markings every 16 inches, high carbon steel blade and retraction spring. Number 2. Mr. Penn 25-foot tape measure. The Mr. Penn 25-foot tape measure is built for durability and precision, making it ideal for tough measuring tasks in both professional and home settings. Its easy-to-read fractional markings ensure accurate measurements. With a convenient locking mechanism, this tape measure offers stability and reliability for all your construction, carpentry, and DIY projects. Key features: durable 25-foot steel tape, easy-to-read fractional markings, ergonomic grip, convenient locking mechanism, ideal for construction, carpentry, and DIY projects. Number 3. CRAFTSMAN CME-HD37443S Tape Measure. The CRAFTSMAN CME-HD37443S tape measure offers 13 feet of reach, making it perfect for solo measurements. Its compact size and extensive rubber overmold provide a comfortable grip and easy storage. The easy red fractional markings on the blade ensure quick and accurate measurements, making this tape measure a reliable tool for any project. Key features: 13 feet of reach, compact size for easy storage, extensive rubber overmold for comfort and impact resistance, easy red fractions on the blade. Number 4. STANLEY 33725 Tape Measure. The STANLEY 33725 tape measure is a robust tool designed to handle demanding job site conditions, offering 14 feet of reach for easier solo measurements. Its durable high-impact case with non-slip rubber ensures long-lasting use, while the large font numbers provide easy-to-read measurements. This tape measure is built to withstand repeated use and abrasion. Key features: 14 feet of reach, durable high-impact case with non-slip rubber, easy-to-read measurements with large font numbers, full tape blade coating with blade armor for maximum durability, 11-inch take standout, 16-inch and 19.2-inch stud center markings for framing jobs. Number 5. DEWALT Atomic Tape Measure. The DEWALT Atomic Tape Measure combines compact size with robust features, offering a 13-foot max reach for improved efficiency. Its 20% more compact grip provides better ergonomics and control, while the integrated finger brake enhances blade control. This tape measure ensures quick, easy measuring and long-lasting performance. Key features: 13-foot max reach, 20% more compact grip, integrated finger brake, fractional blade graphics, durable blade coating. Number 6. Lufkin L1025CME Tape Measure. The Lufkin L1025CME tape measure is designed for superior control and durability, featuring an anti-pinch fingertip control for safe retraction. Its protected lock button and dual material case ensure long-lasting performance, while the matte clear blade coating improves visibility. This tape measure is perfect for solo use, even at heights. Key features: anti-pinch fingertip control, protected lock button, dual material case for durability, matte clear protective blade coating, 360-degree end hook, 14-foot reach. Thanks for watching our review of the best tape measures on the market. We have covered a range of options, each offering unique features to suit different needs and preferences, from durable designs to advanced functionalities. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more reviews and content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a future video. Thanks for tuning in and happy measuring!